Now it's time to add extensive amounts of information that will help you come up with higher degrees of searchability within your experience section of your LinkedIn profile. So you can see the experience gives you quite a bit of room to actually write. It's close to 2,000 characters. The way that we edit those is we're going to hit this edit button, and then we'll be able to edit specific roles. Before we jump into that, make sure that you have checked the order of the different roles that you have had in your past against your existing CV so that they are identical. Cool. So let's make sure that we're going to be able to work against a lot of the existing material that you've probably put in there. So first things first, we're going to create a work doc. So I am going to take this, do file, make a copy, and I'm going to throw this into my LinkedIn folder. So inside of my main folder, save it into the correct folder, and you're good to go. Great. Next, we're going to use this experience section prompt to build the experience section for our LinkedIn profiles within each and every LinkedIn profile. That's why we have that working document so we can adjust as we go. So first, I need to copy this extensive prompt. I'm going to paste it within ChatGPT, but I want to make sure that I'm doing it within my projects. So Control Paste. If you're not going to be using the premium version of ChatGPT, it's no big deal. Just remember that you'll have to add those project files each time in order to make sure that it's tailored specifically to that role based off of all the experience projects and so on that you've put in there. Great. Let's update the raw data, which is the specific job title and the company. In order to do that, I'm just going to take my job title, copy paste, and the company, copy paste, and run it. Now it's creating a bunch of information to go into that description, and I'm going to copy everything, throw it over to my working doc, adjust as needed. Sometimes after adjusting, there's a character count issue, so go to wordcounter.net and you can adjust the character count. Back on LinkedIn, we're pasting our finished version and hitting save. Some small notes on this. While you're already inside of that experience section, maybe it makes sense for you to add the specific skills that you're already putting in alongside your bullet points. So you're just saving time. It makes things a little easier. You're going to continue to do this for each role so that you have updated all sections of your LinkedIn in terms of the experience section. We've already gone over job preferences. I'm going to skip past that. The last part of this is going through each and every section of your LinkedIn and optimizing as much as possible. I've provided a checklist, and it's a matter of just working your way from top to bottom and basically hitting the X every single time that you've done that, which requires you to make a copy of this. The whole reason I provided this is just to give you something to work off of so you constantly have the ability to make sure that you've done every optimization possible from start to finish. I hope this helps, and yeah, we're going to dig into the next section.